So I'm back at this now for day 2, and as you can see, I have made some progress sliding that pin. I continue to heat these towers with my blowgun and apply PB Blaster, and I'm still going to go very, very gently and slowly with my drift. This is what I'm using here. To gently push that through, tapping only with a wooden handled heavy screwdriver. Gently tapping, heating PB Blaster. This one has been the toughest one to get out so far. This is carb number 3, the one that was the most gummed up in the beginning, so I'm still using that same method. I've got the dowel in there, got it nice and loose, got it spinning a little bit, and then lightly putting these needle nose vice grips on that, not too tight, and then wiggling both while trying to pull up. Wiggling, turning, wiggling, turning. Come on, baby. Got some more heat. So, interesting. The seat pulled up without the screen attached, so now I have to see if I can fish that screen out. So making great progress. Everything is coming apart, nothing is broken. I'm down to this one last puck. I have been spraying it with PB Blaster for a couple of days. I have now heated it, tapped it, heated, tapped it. I did put air on it. I took this drift. See, I've got a little hole started there, and I tapped it and was able to move that puck around very easily. So now that I've done that, I'm going to try the air one more time. That sure was easier than trying to drill it out. So a couple of days with PB Blaster, heat, trying to blow it out, PB Blaster, heat, tapping. Today I used that punch. Got it started and turned it over with some air and popped right out. My goal was to get all of the components out without doing any damage, and this has been successful.